Hello viewers, here is a Uniden telephone, branded Sprint for whatever reason. This is a model DX634, and this was made in the Philippines. The Philippines. This does have the original battery, which was unfortunately made in China. However, it is from 1996 and it still works perfectly fine. It is the nickel cadmium chemistry and it is manufactured by GPI. Uniden used a few different battery manufacturers over the years. GPI was one of them, BYD was another. TYD is an odd one that I've only seen a couple of times. There was one other one which I'm forgetting now. But anyways, the GPI ones seem to be the best quality. And I'd like to believe that Uniden chose GPI because they were a good quality. But more likely than not, they probably just chose them because that was cheapest when they made the decision. Regardless, it worked out either way, and I see these GPI batteries with 20 plus years on them working perfectly fine all the time. Phenomenal batteries. So, let's go ahead and plug this thing in and see if it works. One other thing to mention is I thought this was the black equivalent of the XC714, but it's not. This one is a completely different model because this one scrambles your voice. The XC714 does not. And this piece of paper is a Uniden piece of paper. I've seen these come with the phones before. I'm not sure where it should have been stuck on this thing, if anywhere. I don't think that's where it was supposed to go or intended to go. But anyways, it looks like it's going to come off pretty easily. Now I'm seeing here it says 10-10-611. 1010 is, I've seen that somewhere else before. It was on that Trimline phone. It's something with AT&T's service years ago for making calls, local calls specifically. I don't know what that is. I'm guessing this person had Sprint home phone service and this was provided to use with the service, hence the Sprint branding. That's the only thing I can think of. I don't think Sprint really exclusively sold, or not exclusively, but really sold just randomly cordless phones. Maybe they did, I don't know. Either way, it's definitely made by Uniden. So anyways, let's go ahead and call this thing up. Okay, there we go. There's that half ring as it makes the connection. And there's the full ring in sync with the ringing signal. Okay, we'll let that go one more time. And it auto-talked, and it's on. Auto-talked again. Okay, that's working as it should be. Let's go ahead and we'll change the ringer. It's only got two, so we can show it on both. The other one. Phone up again. Why does this camera look like it's frozen? Oh, it's not frozen. The light doesn't flicker. I thought it would flicker. Okay, we'll answer it. Now let's check the numbers. Everything works properly. Oh, we'll do a flash. Okay, that worked. Change the channel. A couple of volume levels. And memory, that's working. Okay, so all the buttons are working. Oh, let's see here. I'll record a testing message into our testing entering machine now. Oh, here's some more informations. Should have shown those at the beginning of the video. Whoops. Okay. Well, I don't know why I must have hit the button. Okay. Here we go. Okay, we have a spoiled receiver capsule here. I don't even know if you're going to be able to hear that. I'll get the amplifier on for this one. Yeah, that's very weak. I'll make the outside call, see if we can hear anything. Oops. Oh, it just came unplugged.
United Bank, time 8:27. Current temperature 65 degrees. Partly sunny today, high plus 17. Mostly cloudy tonight, areas of drizzle close. 16. Thursday, cloudy. A chance of showers and patches.
Okay, so we're going to have to repair that. That shouldn't be too difficult to repair. But let's go ahead and record our testing message to see if the microphone's working all right. I'm not going to bother recording any portion of this test call because you're not going to be able to hear it. Okay, let's take a listen to this testing message.
1 new message and 16 old messages. Message 1.
The audio, incoming audio on this phone is very weak. It's almost to the point of being deplorably weak. Okay, I just exited the shop now, and the signal is pretty clear still. Either that or the volume is so quiet I can't hear the static. Although I have to say, some of these older 46 and 49s from Uniden, the Ultra Clear Plus ones, did have reasonable coverage. Okay, I just heard some static there. As far as you can go by the watery equipment. If I turn a certain way, it does get a static, but otherwise it's pretty clear. I'll change the channel so you can hear what that sounds like. And now I will end the call.
End of messages.
That channel and hang-up sound is a little bit different than usual. Alright, that will conclude the video of this Uniden DX634 telephone. We'll have to do some repair work on this, so there will be more videos of this to come.